on handy cam.
You drop your cam if you carry on.
I don't drop it.
Right? Mission for me.
Not dropping the camera. He's not dead.
You don't have to say that every video.
I feel like I need a hoodie.
He's not dead.
He's not dead on it.
Question is, who'd buy it?
No one.
Ends that.
Yeah. Funny though. I've done like a million videos of inside the car, and nothing of outside because I haven't got no suction mounts. We're at Curborough, sprint course again.
Got suction mounted one over there. I've got mine.
I
you
did
got
say
yours.
to you, have you got a suction mount?
I said yeah.
Then why didn't you bring it?
I have.
Yeah, but we've just been there. Why didn't you get it?
I forgot.
Oh, you suck. I don't want to stick out to my wrap, but I don't mind the suction mounts that go on windows and stuff. We're at the line. You're nervous. Your leg's shaking. I don't know.
Yes, I'm starting to get nervous on what my 10th flap at day.
How are you on your 10? That means you're more than me.
I've done about 70 drone.
Doesn't count. He brought his drone, so we have some drone footage. With no sound.
They don't come with sound. That's what he puts cinematic music over it.
Like Banger Boys.
You put whatever you want in it.
Barbie Girl. Nursery rhymes, like the wheels on the bus.
Or at least a song that's related to flying.
Mom. I don't know where to put the camera up here, so you can have like an outside shot, and I can spin it around, have a return shot.
Yeah?
What, to see where they want the camera? Yeah. Once I've already done it? Yeah, you can do, yeah.
Oh, I don't like the look of that.
Oh yeah, we got a bit wet earlier, and at the moment we're dry, and we've got a dry track, but ooh, it was a bit slidey earlier. Come on, it's coming.
Actually,
You ready?
This makes it even actually.
Launch it.
Because you got 3 in a row earlier.
Launch it. Launch it. Proper, I want 5k launch.
You want a 5k
I want a 5k launch, yeah, because ain't no bog down. Ready? Get hairy at any point at all. I'm curious what you. I'm curious what your lap time was then, because that was. It's so my go next.
Yeah.
You did a 1:16.5.
Just dropped half a second off my lap.
Not as good as me though, is it? Well, that's me. I'm the 1:13.8.
You in this gearbox.